Hey guys, welcome back to my podcast Motivation Talks with SK. So today we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions we all ask ourselves at some point of time, right? That is, what's the purpose of my life? It's a question that doesn't come with a quick answer, right? And it's totally okay. Because finding your purpose isn't about just waking up one day and magically knowing what you want to do. It's about exploring, experiencing, and evolving until you discover what makes your heart come alive. Okay? Let's just start with simple. Okay? Remember that your life is not supposed to be always a big dramatic mission. No, it's not necessarily about saving the world or becoming famous. Often it's something simpler and deeper, something that gives your life a meaning, fuels your soul, and makes you want to get up out of that bed every day with the same energy, right? It's the thing that you do and leaves the world a little better, a little brighter because you were here, right? Let me tell you a story about a girl named Maya. Okay, so Maya spent years feeling lost. Though she had a decent job, a comfortable life, but inside something felt missing. She always felt sad, depressed, did not really enjoy anything around. Everyone around her seemed to know what they wanted, but she did not. So she tried switching careers, she traveled around, even took new courses, but nothing felt like the one. Okay? And one day, she started volunteering at a local children's shelter. Just a few hours a week, really nothing serious. Okay? And something shifted. Every time she worked with those kids, she felt alive, fulfilled, connected. Because it wasn't just helping, it was healing for her too. And that's when she realized her purpose was to nurture and empower children. So she left her corporate job and started a non profit organization that focused on education for underprivileged kids. And for the very first time, she felt like her life also mattered. Okay, so what's the lesson for us in this? That purpose often reveals itself not through overthinking but through doing. It's found in those moments when you lose track of time and when you feel deeply connected to something just bigger than yourself. Okay, so how can we start discovering this too? First, pay attention to what makes you feel alive, not just what you're good at. Okay. Second, notice where you naturally want to help or contribute, where you feel like you are pulled towards. Third, reflect on the challenges you've overcome because often your purpose is connected to the pain you've healed yourself through, right? And most importantly, fourth, be patient because purpose unfolds in layers, not all at once. Okay, and remember, purpose isn't a destination, it's a direction. It's not something you find once and never change, of course not. It grows as you grow. It can be as simple as just living with an intention, being kind, creating beauty, having sympathy for people, lifting others is the purpose. Okay, so if you're searching for your purpose right now, please know this, that you're not behind and you're not lost. You're on the journey, and that journey itself is part of the process of finding your purpose, right? Trust your curiosity, follow your passions, and listen to the voice within. That will one day definitely lead you exactly where you're meant to be, right? Thanks for tuning into my podcast. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who might need a reminder that their life has meaning too. Okay, until next time, keep searching, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing that your purpose is out there waiting for you. Okay, this is me signing off. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye from